Alright, what is good, YouTube? Got you with another pickup. Sorry I haven't done any videos lately. You know, I've been lazy, been sleeping on the sneakers. Alright, so let's just get into this one. So today I got the Jordan 13 Retro Barons. Well, actually the real name is the Wolf Grey 13s, but people refer them to as the Baron 13. So, alright, so what I noticed on one of the sides, let's see if I can get to it here. It says premium crafted, performance inspired by the greatest ever, trademark. So is that like the premium materials that are on the shoe, hopefully? Alright, look at this receipt. I have never seen anything like this. It says, congrats on being the owner of the Air Jordan 13 Retro. Alright, let me pull out the shoes real quick. Alright, so that's what they look like. Let's get you this full 360 view. Well, not 360 because you can see everything. Alright. So, I believe we got this white leather. It's very, very plush. I like that a lot. With the gray toe box. That's pretty dope in my opinion. We have Jordan right here in teal. And for authentic reasons, make sure to always check the tag. Should be the same color as the Jordan. Also, we got a teal Jumpman on the tongue. The top is a leather tongue. I think the whole thing is actually leather with like flaps, rope laces. The thing I dislike about this shoe is this material. I don't know. I have no idea what it is or what. I don't like it at all. Thinking that you're just going with just a regular black color. Alright, here's a look at the medial side. Alright, now let's look at the bottom. We have a Jumpman in a yellow hologram. We got blue between these, the grip or whatever. I mean, I really do like these shoes a lot. I just don't like this material at all. I think it's just really weird on it. But yeah, man, that's the shoe pretty much. Let me just show you if y'all can get you to look at the inside. Let's see. I guess I won't be able to. Well, there is a blue Jumpman in there. Well, a teal Jumpman, as well as just the size behind the tag. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave a like. It actually helps me a lot. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace.